Hi. This is Catherine Gage, also KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. And if you want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Go to a birthday party, and I thought I would just get ready with you all real quick. Just show you how to do a quick dash out the door look. I'm going to do what I normally do all the time, is use, because I've already cleansed and moisturized my face earlier, but I'm going to go in with my replenishing C serum, vitamin C serum, just to give my face an extra lift real quick. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. So I did that. That's just a moisturizer. So anytime you do skincare or do a look, you do want to have good skincare regimen in place, because that helps your skin to be healthy. It's not healthy to just pack makeup on top of unhealthy skin. So always have your skincare regimen. Next thing I'm doing is I'm going to take my foundation primer. I'm just taking just a little bit of that, just to go prep my face so I can put my foundation on. And it's just a little small piece size here. And you can either put this on with your hand, or you can use a brush. For the sake of time, I'm just using my hands today. A little bit of translucent powder. This is a good powder, just a dusting powder. Also helps you just to to set your foundation, set your concealers, anything that you're gonna put on, like a wet concealer or foundation or under eye corrector, anything that you're gonna put on that's wet, you want to set it. This right here just helps me to just keep a little oil off my face, because I am combination to oily. So this helps me just keep just a little oil off my face. So that's why I like doing it. So it's our high definition translucent powder, and it's good for all skin types, all colors, all shades. It's just a little white translucent powder. One of my nice go-tos. And now I'm just gonna take our Time Wise, Mary Kay Time Wise 3D Foundation Matte. I'm using a Time Wise Matte, a Bronze W130. This is my shade. If you need to get matched, just let me know. I can send you samples, and we can find your match for you. Of course, if you're working with another consultant, you can order from them. But if you don't have a consultant, I would be glad to be there for you. But I'd never take anybody else's customer. It's just our new blending brush, which I absolutely love. It just makes everything goes on like butter. And I'm just putting mine on my hand because of the fact that when foundation hits your skin, it just warms it up and makes it more blendable. So I'm just warming up my foundation. I'm gonna take my Cinnabar right here. I'm just gonna use that to contour, because I'm just doing something real quickly. So I'm just gonna put that at the top of my forehead. Bridge down my nose. A little bit right here. I'll take that same brush here. Just gonna contour with my brush today. It's basically just intensifying. When you contour, it's just basically you want to use just what you want to intensify, or if you want to hide something. Like I'm contouring my chin. That's our Mary Kay primer. It's just a little tube of primer, and I'm just priming my eyes real quick so that my eyeshadow can stay on. This is what I call Velcro to the eyes. This helps your eyeshadow to adhere and also stay on. That's nice. Okay. Now I'm just using a little small perfect palette here. This is something you can have in your purse, so this is what I'm going to use just to make my look. Looking for me a nice fluffy brush here. Tell you what, I'll take this one here. This is a Juvia's palette. Juvia's Place brush. I like these. We have brushes. I use them all. I just like brushes. What I'm doing is taking a cheek color. This is our hot coral, and I'm gonna use this as my transitional color. Just gonna go into my transitional, or my crease of my eye. Tap it off just a tap it. I always like to start at the end here and then build it. And you can see how I don't have my brush so holding it so tight. This actually giving me control of my brush where I can be able to maneuver a little bit. Just put just a little bit more of that. Over to the other one, do the same thing. I'm doing a windshield wipe. If you see me going backwards and forward, it's called windshield wipe. Or you can do a circular motion. So I'm kind of using both of the techniques just so I can get the nice color that I want. like that. I'm gonna take the center bar again that I just used to do my contouring. I'm gonna also use that to deepen up my crease. And that's that color right here. We used to have this a long time ago, and they brought it back when they brought our new kaychromafusion colors. So I love it. Absolutely love it. It was a little bit before my days, but I see why they brought it back. Just deepening up my crease. Can you all see what I'm doing? Because I'm trying to look in the mirror and look at the camera at the same time. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. That combination looks very, very pretty. Basically, that's what I'm gonna do. That's all I'm gonna do for that, just for the crease of my eye. I'm actually liking that. I'm not gonna do anything else because I'm just doing a glam out the door look today. Okay, I got that done up like that. I'm gonna take my all over eye color brush and I'm just with that sandcastle. Just gonna cut the crease real fast. I'm just gonna cut just a little bit of it. I'm not gonna do the whole lid, just right up in there. Putting it up the top, like to where my ear is at, and then moving it all the way up. Just to add just a little color. Then I'm just gonna put just a dab a little bit on the apple. Oh, that is too pretty. I'm gonna just put just a little bit of that coral. It's right there. This is our limited edition paparazzi pink. This is what I call lipstick with a cause, because every time I sell one of these, $1 is going to our Mary Kay Foundation, which helps for research of cancer and also for domestic violence. So let me line my lips real quick, and I'm gonna be having a birthday party, and I just thought I would get ready with you all, and hope you all liked it, hope you enjoyed it. But this is going to be the look for today. Didn't take very long, and this is something you can do on a regular. If you just want to do a nice glam out the door, you can do it on a regular. Do it in the morning when you do it work, or nice party look, however you want to do it. You want to make it look, you want to make it just pop. You can put some lashes on, which I don't have time to do today. But I enjoyed hanging with you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being my fans. Thanks for being my supporters. This is Catherine Gage, also KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. Remember, God first, family second, career third. Put all three of those things in perspective, and everything do fall in place. I'll see y'all on the next go round. And also, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't done it already, go do that. And if you have, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, have a great day. Love you all.